I will be showing you how to replace the display screen. The tools we need are cross screwdrivers, 3mm hex wrench, 3mm short handle hex wrench, anti-static gloves. Firstly, power off the device using a 3mm hex wrench. Remove the 5 screws of the cover plate. Remove the cover. Remove all wiring on the screen. Find this red wire and this black wire. Pull these two wires out from this opening. With a 3mm short handle hex wrench, loosen the 4 securing screws on the screen. Firmly press the screen inwards. Remove the screen. Wear anti-static gloves. Remove the antenna connector. Remove the 4 securing screws with a cross screwdriver. We need to remove the gold finger connecting the Android board and the screen. Remove the fixing tape. Unfasten the black fastening clip. Then, pull out the gold finger. At the other side of the Android board, remove the back fixing tape. Unfasten the black fastening clip. Pull out the golden finger. Get a new screen. Please pay attention. The new screen must have a waterproof rubber ring. Load the original Android board. Firstly, reinstall the bottom gold finger. Slot in the gold finger. Press down and fasten the clip. Secure with fixing tape. Connect front gold finger to the Android board. After placing it into position, fasten the clip. Secure with fixing tape. Align Android board with the screw holes of the screen. Install for securing screws. Connect the antenna connector. Plug in the power connector of the Android board. Reinstall the assembled screen. After alignment, install for fixing screws. Ensure the Android screen is securely fastened, and then reconnect all the previous wires. After replacement, reinstall the right cover. The replacement is completed.